All right, so I've been working on the mail truck off camera because, well, I didn't video it, that's why. I did do a lot in the dash area. I've kind of figured out how the seat's gonna work. I'm gonna build this platform here, and I gotta build this step here, and then this piece is gonna sit basically right in here. I don't know how else to explain. This piece, I got a notch out for the transmission. So you can kind of picture it sitting like this. And then I'll have tabs that come behind this with nuts welded to it. So this piece, that was loud. So this piece will sit like this with holes, and I'll put 2 bolts here and 1 bolt on top on both sides. And then that will be my brace there, so that I've got a nice flat place. And then I need to build the floors for each side, and I gotta do a lot of floor stuff. I don't know how far I'll get today. I'd like to put this piece in because I'm basically just gonna cut it out of a piece that's over here, set it in here, and weld it in nicely. I want to get this piece in so that this section is together with my 4 holes, or 6 holes total, and that gets the whole thing together a lot more stable. And I need to put another piece down this wall that looks like that. So you can see the angle that I put on the wall to hold the flooring. And then, yeah, once I can get those pieces of floor in, I need to tear the dash out, do all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to set up a time lapse once I don't know how it's going to work, but I'm going to do some, I'll try to video some stuff. There you go. So we worked a whole bunch on this. Well, we as in me and a welder and a grinder. I got this little plate on here, so now the step is ready. I can then bolt my chair to this, I think, possibly. Figure that out. I got this piece in right here. These 6 bolts are going to hold it in. That's what it's going to look like, but that way, if the piece that goes from here to here and kind of around the back of the motor will also be removable. I don't know how yet, but it will be removable. I got these floors in, the subfloor of it. So this one's turned up, so that's my firewall. So this is going to come up, and it will be, I guess, a firewall against a headlight. This side doesn't have it turned up because I'm going to try to take my floor past kind of this section. I haven't figured it out. I want to basically get above the headlight and seal that in so that I have all this section to put stuff. That being said, that's it for today. Tomorrow, I would like to get this sheeted and this sheeted and this step sheeted and possibly from here over the transmission sheeted. It would just be nice to not put my foot through a car. So that's all I got for you today. Hope you enjoy. Hopefully the video was good. I'm still learning. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you like this. Comment, let me know. Have fun.